we would like to introduce the hybrid woven fabric that we, AYAHA Corporation, are developing. Hybrid woven fabric is an intermediate material for FRTP, fibre-reinforced thermoplastic, made by weaving one united fabric from two different component yarns. For example, here there is carbon fibre and PPS hybrid fabric. The surface looks like carbon fibre fabric and the backside PPS, although it's actually one united fabric. On heating, PPS will melt and become a matrix, while the woven carbon fibre remains inside as reinforcement, which makes CFRTP a carbon fibre reinforced thermoplastic composite. We call this hybrid woven fabric, which is our special materials for production of continuous fibre reinforced thermoplastic. Let's look at a moulding method using hybrid woven fabric. For example, there is the case of heat and cool compression, cutting the fabric, laminating the necessary pieces of fabric and setting in the mould. Matrix yarn melts and impregnates the reinforcing yarn at the right temperature and pressure, and after it cools down, the composites are removed. The merit of hybrid woven fabric is it's a yarn with continuous reinforcement and exhibits higher strength. Thermoforming is possible by heat and cool compression, autoclave or double belt press. Fabric has drape properties and is flexible, soft and easy to cut. It can be stored at room temperature. It can be used for lightweight composites of various applications. It's a material that aims for total cost reduction by direct moulding of composites from integrated fabrics in one process. Please choose the best combination of reinforcement and matrix yarn for your applications. Hybrid woven fabric has three categories. Hybrid double layer has a double woven structure. The reinforcing yarn is on the surface and the matrix yarn on the backside, and both are woven integrally. This structure is AYAHA's patented product. For example, if you combine carbon fibre and polyamide 12, when polyamide 12 yarn is melted by heat, standard carbon fibre 3K 200 gram fabric remains as reinforcement in the composite. The VF fibre volume is around 50%, and this can be modified by the fabric design. Some combination of certain matrix and carbon fibre specia binder is coated on the fabric to avoid yarn fray when cutting and to improve impregnation into the carbon fibre. The reinforcement yarn is carbon fibre, aramid, polyarylate, basalt, glass and flax. Resin yarn for the matrix is PEEK, PEI, PPS, PC, phenoxy, PA6, PA9C, PA12, PP, PE and PLA. We have hybrid double layer of flax and PLA, polylactic acid, which aims to achieve SDGs with its composites. It's attracting attention as a natural and carbon neutral material. Hybrid UD is a fabric which has a reinforcing yarn in the warp direction and matrix yarn in the weft. Like hybrid double layer, VF adjustment and binder coating is possible, and you can select various combinations of reinforcing yarn and matrix yarn. UD with a double layer structure is also available. Hybrid filament fabric is woven from special hybrid filament yarn, made of two components with different melting points. The yarn itself is already a hybrid. Hybrid filament fabric now has 4 types and 5 combinations. Reinforcement glass fibre and matrix polypropylene or polyamide 6. A special flat-shaped hybrid filament consisting of glass roving inside and PP or PA6 filament outside is made into woven fabric without twisting from plain, twill or double layer weave. These fabrics show good impregnation properties and can be thermoformed in a short time. Reinforcement carbon fibre and matrix phenoxy. Special flat hybrid co-mingled filament yarn consisting of carbon fibre and phenoxy yarn is made into woven fabric of plain, twill weave and UD sheet without twisting. The combination of phenoxy and 12K carbon fibre enables good impregnation in a short period time using thermoforming. Reinforcement polypropylene and matrix polyethylene. The special flat-shape hybrid monofilament yarn with high tensile PP on the core and low melting point PE on the sheath are made into a double layer woven fabric. Colour design fabric is available by inserting coloured yarn. Reinforcement polyester and matrix low melting point polyester. High-performance hybrid multi-filament yarns are woven into plain, twill or double layer weave. This hybrid filament is composed of high viscosity polyester on the core and low melting point polyester on the sheath. We can create coloured fabric by adding coloured yarn. Please choose the best combination of reinforcement and matrix yarn for your applications.